Today I will show you how to make hyper-realistic AI videos of yourself. There are multiple AI tools I am using to achieve this, so keep watching. Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can create ultra realistic AI videos of yourself like you just seen. Even better, you can create even better than this one. This was made quite fast. Now the first thing you want to do is create a realistic image of yourself, and how you can do that. My favorite platform that I'm using daily is Higgsfield, and here you can basically see images of me, and as you can see it is basically 99% looking like me. And you can create anything you want. So for example, my favorite is 90s grain, which makes the 70s, 80s looking images. And how you can create photorealistic, basically similar, your own clones, is you have to go here, make your own character. And I basically uploaded 20 photos of me. You can upload up to 70 photos. So the more you upload, the more realistic it will look. And here is everything explained, how you can do it. And if you want to go Higgsfield, the link will be in the description. So this is the first thing. You will create your basically character, and it will take around 5 minutes up to 10 minutes until it basically generates. After that, you can go here. You can choose, for example, Higgsfield Soul, Nano Banana, Flux Contest, and you can use this photorealistic image of you in Higgsfield Soul. And here are basically many styles, even thumbnail styles of yourself. And if I scroll up, you can see, for example, me next to Twin Towers. You can recreate different historic images and events. And for example, I created this Star Trek 80s looking basically image of myself, and I was inspired. Then I basically figured out I could make something like this, and this is the first frame of the video. What I did, I basically created this image, and if you want to get the prompt, let me know in the comments. I will give you the exact prompt of this image. So, for example, if you want to add glasses or add something specific in the background, for this you can use Nano Banana. The best part about Higgsfield that Nano Banana is free. If you subscribe to Higgsfield in the next 6 to 5 days, you will get Nano Banana free for the whole year. So you will basically get unlimited basic generations. As you can see here, you can upload image of glasses or anything you want and put that in your image. And here you can see I have unlimited generations for the next year. So that's that. And what I did, I found these glasses on AliExpress, and I basically just screenshotted them. You can just screenshot anything you want, and I screenshotted these glasses. And what I did next is I basically asked, put the glasses on the face. I uploaded the glass image as well, and here you can see the image that I am using in the video as well. So the glasses match the whole 80s style. The grain is here, and I tried different glasses. After that, I thought I should maybe upload a phone booth in the background. So here you can see the phone booth, the 80s UK style. I also uploaded some stuff that didn't quite turn out good. So luckily there are unlimited generations for Nano Banana, and there are angle changes. So here you can see the angle for the same image is basically looking from a higher angle. The camera angle is higher. Then I tried to create basically different scenarios in a barn, and I basically came out with this one. And again, glasses are not here. So I basically uploaded the glass image, and Nano Banana did a perfect job of adding glasses. So the next thing, what you have to do is create a video. And for the video creation, I would suggest you to use Veo 3. Veo 3 is the best. It is really expensive, and the worst part is that in the EU right now, you cannot upload photorealistic faces if you use the Flow website creating VO3 videos, but the only way you can upload photorealistic faces is going on Google Gemini and basically using VPN, connect to US, everywhere in US will work, and that's how you will be able to upload photorealistic face of yourself or of anyone. Downside is that you can only create 3 videos per day on Google Gemini. So this is the only place you can do this. If you are in the EU, if you're outside EU, you can upload on the Flow website as well. And what I did, just really easy. Here's the prompt, the image, the man with serious look and with subtle hand expressions says, today I will show you how to make hyper-realistic AI videos of yourself. So here is the result.
Today I will show you how to make hyper-realistic AI videos of yourself.
So that's basically the video. You can hear the accent is quite weird, like some kind of, I don't know, English or Indian accent. That's why the video that you saw basically in the beginning looks quite, basically the audio, the voice is not perfect, but I still wanted to show this tutorial. So this is basically how I created the first video. Second video didn't came out for some reason. I think I turned off the VPN. That's why it basically created this one.
There are multiple AI tools.
So I connected to VPN again and uploaded this image. So here's the second prompt. There are multiple AI tools I'm using to achieve this. Keep watching. And this is the video.
There are multiple AI tools I am using to achieve this. So keep watching.
So as you can see, it shows a subtitles right here, and there was a tool that I used to remove this. So you can use AI tools to remove subtitles as well if you want to. If you cannot afford VO3, you can use Runway. Runway is basically the second best choice after VO3 if you want to use the lip sync. And here is the example of another video that I created with Runway. So today I will show you around 18 use cases for the new Google AI Nano Banana. And honest, so as you can see, the lip sync is quite good. It's not as good as VO3, but soon we will be there. VO3 will get probably someone will come out with something good. So you can basically upload a video of yourself talking and upload another video. And where I got this video is here. Basically one. Here you can see the video. And why I like one is because it is free. You can get 50 credits every day, and it takes 10 credits to create one video of any image you want. There are no restrictions. So that's how you can create videos as well, basically for free using one. But I like Seedance the best. Here is a Seedance. You can use Higgsfield to use the Seedance. So if you look at Seedance, here's the video. As you can see here, it looks almost perfect. The water is perfect. It's really rare for these video generators to make as good videos as these. And here you can see it only costs 8 credits for one video, so that's quite cheap. But still, if you want to get it free, if you want to create videos free, the 2.2 will be good enough, and you again get 50 credits per day for free just by checking in. And how I changed the voice of myself is quite easy. You basically create a video on VO3 and you go to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is great because you can create your own voice and it will look, I mean, it will sound 99% like you. And here is the voice changer. So you go to voice changer. What this does, you can upload or drag audio or video files. You will upload anything you want. So someone's talking, and here you will basically select your created voice that you can create on 11 Labs. And you will basically replace it, download it, and go to the video editing software of your choice. For example, I am using Final Cut Pro, and that's where you can change your voice. What I did as well, I basically added some effects to the voice because the voice didn't sound as realistic as the basically 80s TV or 70s TV show. So I added some effects as well. So how I created these transitions, as you can see here. AI videos of yourself. So here is the VO3 video, and there is a little jump cut. Then it turns to this one. So basically a guy with a bike goes to the barn. How you can do it? Really easy. You go to Kling AI. And what you have to do is upload a start frame, and you can upload a end frame as well. So here you can see, these are the frames I used. For the second part, I did basically the same. I uploaded the end frame of the second dialogue video, and I went to Kling AI, or I think at this time I basically used Google AI Studio. And the best part about again, Nano Banana, that is free on Higgsfield, you can basically change camera distance, camera angles. Here I basically wrote change the distance so the camera point of view is 10 meters away from the current distance. Then I thought, let's create a 200 meters drone view, so 200 meters away from the barn. And here was the image. And on the Kling AI, it's really easy. You just go on the Kling AI, you upload the end frame and the first frame, and the prompt was camera zooms out smoothly, similar to a drone footage, revealing a barn, many wild zoo animals around it. And here are some more examples. So basically the first one was that he ran to the barn, and it turned out really unrealistic, but still looks quite nice. And as you can see here, this is the last frame of the video. So that's in a nutshell how you can create realistic videos, how you can create a realistic face of yourself, realistic images. And this opens unlimited opportunities and things you can do. If you're a creator or YouTube creator, you can create thumbnails. You can create, again, realistic videos of yourself. And the best part is that this will even, only get better. Right now it is at its worst because this basically, the AI stuff, all the video tools get better and better every week, every month. And you can already get quite realistic videos of yourself. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI tools, AI alpha, AI news like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.